Phil, you guys sell dedicated and managed hosting mostly to small, medium-sized businesses, a lot of relatively technically savvy, online-focused businesses. Do you see these types of products offered by Amazon and Google as a direct threat to the managed hosting business, or do you see it as sort of a tangential threat, partnership opportunity, new product opportunity?
Well, we looked at a couple things. It's ironic. We got all our salespeople together just, I think it was 2 weeks ago, for kind of a sales meeting, and I went around the room and I asked them, what are the biggest competitive issues you're seeing out there? Is it price? Is it something else? Is it services? Something we can't offer? And cloud computing from the Amazon, the Google was not something that came up. I'm not saying that we don't believe it to be a threat. It's something we're obviously keeping our eye on. Our customers want a more advisory type relationship where they want to talk to us, and our staff is. We got a lot of developers on our staff, so they can talk the lingo with a lot of our customers, and they'd like to be able to have that conversation. We actually had a customer that wanted us to help him with his business plan. And so, we're really not in the business plan creation business. We're in the hosting business. But that's how. But on the other hand, we were kind of flattered that they were calling us to ask those types of questions about how they could expand their business. Whereas with a Google, Microsoft, Amazon, clearly they're looking at massive customers. They're not looking necessarily for that one-on-one relationship. So while we view it as something we need to keep our eye on, we've actually also looked at what would it take for us to offer cloud computing. We actually brought the companies in, looked at the compression of software required. So if we need to compete in that space, we can. But at this point, it's something we're keeping an eye on, but we're not necessarily seeing as a direct threat. Most of our competitors are businesses that are in the same hosting business that we're in.